Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important topic in sports law, sports and intellectual property rights, commonly known as IPR. Now, whenever we think about sports, we usually focus on athletes, competitions, trophies, and records. But behind every major sporting event, team, and athlete, there is a huge business industry. Intellectual property rights play a crucial role in protecting that industry. So let's understand what intellectual property rights are and why they are so important in sports. Intellectual property rights are legal rights that protect creations of the human mind, such as inventions, artistic work, brand names, logos, and designs. In the sports industry, these rights help athletes, teams, event organizers, broadcasters, and businesses to protect their commercial interests and generate revenue. Let's look at the major forms of intellectual property used in sports. First, trademarks in sports. A trademark can be a name, logo, symbol, sign, or slogan that helps distinguish one organization from another. In sports, trademarks are extremely valuable because fans often recognize teams and events through their names and logos. Some well-known examples are the Olympic rings, the FIFA World Cup logo, IPL logo, team names, and team logos. Trademark protection prevents unauthorized use of these symbols. For example, if someone starts selling jerseys using a team's logo without permission, that could amount to trademark infringement, and trademarks help sports organizations build strong brands, attract sponsorships, and earn revenue through licensing. Copyright protect original literary, artistic, musical, and audiovisual work. An interesting point to remember is that a sporting event itself is generally not protected by copyright. However, the broadcast and recording of that event are protected. For example, live sports broadcasts, match recordings, sports documentaries, event photographs, and promotional videos, they are protected by copyright. Today, broadcasting rights are among the biggest sources of revenue in sports. Sports leagues often sell exclusive broadcasting rights to television networks and digital streaming platforms for enormous amount of money. That's why unauthorized streaming, piracy, or illegal sharing of sports content can lead to serious copyright violations and significant financial losses. Third, patents and sports innovation. Patents protect inventions and technological innovations in sports. Technology has revolutionized sports over the years, and companies constantly develop new products to improve performance, safety, and accuracy. Some of the examples include smart fitness trackers, goal line technology, advanced sports footwear, performance monitoring devices, and innovative sports equipment. Patent protection gives inventors exclusive right over their inventions for a specific period. This encourages companies to invest in research and development and continue innovating in the sports industry. Fourth, industrial designs in sports. Another important form of protection is industrial design protection in sports, and this protects the visual appearance of the product. In sports, design protection may apply to products such as sports shoes, jerseys, helmets, and sports accessories. Many consumers choose products not only because of their performance but also because of their appearance. Design protection prevents competitors from copying unique visual features and helps companies maintain a competitive edge in the market. Fifth, athlete image rights. In today's world, athletes are much more than just sports people, they are brands in themselves. This brings us to the athlete image rights. Image rights relate to the commercial use of an athlete's name, photograph, signature, voice, and likeness. Many athletes earn substantial income through endorsements and sponsorship agreements. For example, when a sportswear company wants to feature a famous athlete in an advertisement, it usually needs permission and must compensate the athlete. An unauthorized commercial use of an athlete's image can result in legal action under trademark law, copyright law, or the law of passing off. 6. Ambush marketing. One of the biggest challenges in sports marketing is ambush marketing. But what exactly is ambush marketing? It occurs when a company tries to create an association with a sporting event without becoming an official sponsor. For example, during a major tournament, a company may run advertisements that make consumers believe it is connected with the event, even though it has not paid any sponsorship fee. This practice reduces the value of official sponsorship agreements and can sometimes infringe intellectual property rights. That is why organizers of events like Olympics, FIFA World Cup actively monitor and prevent ambush marketing activities. 7. Counterfeit sports merchandise. Another major issue is counterfeiting, and examples include counterfeit sports shoes, unauthorized memorabilia, and imitation of sports equipment. These counterfeit products not only reduce revenue for legitimate businesses but can also damage brand reputation. And trademark law allows right holders to take legal action against manufacturers and sellers of counterfeit products. Now let's briefly discuss how intellectual property related to sports is protected in India. Several important laws provide this protection, including the Trademarks Act 1999, the Copyright Act 1957, the Patents Act 1970, and the Designs Act 2000. These laws help safeguard sports brands, broadcasting rights, technological innovations, protect designs, and various commercial interests connected with sports. Indian courts have also recognized the growing importance of intellectual property protection in sports and have provided remedies against piracy, trademark infringement, and unauthorized commercial exploitation. To conclude, intellectual property rights are an essential part of the modern sports industry. They help protect team logos and brands through trademarks, broadcast content through copyright, technological innovations through patents, product appearance through design rights, athlete identities through image rights. And I believe without effective intellectual property protection, sports organizations, athletes, sponsors, broadcasters, and businesses would find it difficult to protect their investments and commercial interests. As sports continue to grow into a multi-billion dollar industry, intellectual property rights will remain vital for promoting innovation, protecting brands, and ensuring sustainable growth. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments which sports law topic you would like me to cover next. See you in the next video.